Cardpool is a pretty straightforward gift card exchange. The question is this service legit and is it worth it? I was fortunate enough to find myself with a $150 gift card for the Apple Store. However, I wanted something a little bit more versatile, like a $150 gift card for Amazon.com. So I stumbled across the gift card exchange known as Cardpool, and I knew even though I was going to lose a little bit of money, I was willing to take the risk. The site was straightforward. I simply selected the card that I had from a drop-down menu and inserted the dollar amount that was on that particular card. The next step was just deciding how I wanted to get paid for my card, and lo and behold, I made a slightly higher percentage if I chose an Amazon gift card. For me, this was the perfect solution. I was informed that my $150 Apple gift card would be worth $142.31 in an Amazon card. Wait, is this a good deal? Going from Apple to Amazon cost me $7.69. However, I have an Apple store in my town, so anything I buy there is going to cost me 7% sales tax, and that applies online as well. That sales tax would cost me $10.50, so I'd have $139.50 as opposed to $142.31 in actual real-world purchasing power. I agree. I think we made the right choice. The rest of the process with Cardpool is pretty straightforward. All I had was a digital code, and they were able to accept that online. I didn't have to mail them anything. They may request that you mail them a physical card if they have any doubt. You will also have to provide them with obviously email address and other pertinent information, as well as credit card information. That protects them from fraud. You don't have anything to worry about here, but if you're feeling unsure, just use a card that you can track and you don't use very often. Turnaround time is very fast. I made my request on a Sunday night and it was even New Year's Eve. I had my Amazon code in my email box New Year's Day. Overall, my experience with Cardpool was very good. They offer a fast, professional service at a reasonable cost. The entire process took less than 24 hours, so I'm pretty happy. If you do business with Cardpool, I hope your experience is as good as mine. And if you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up like.